Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to report content on PC. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to report a YouTube video that violates the platform's guidelines or contains inappropriate content. Step 1. Go to the video that you want to report. Navigate to the video that you believe should be reported. Make sure you are on the video page before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Click More and select Report. Below the video player, click on the More button, represented by 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, choose the Report option. Step 3. Select the reason for reporting the video. A new window will appear, presenting different options for reporting. Select the reason that best describes why you are reporting the video. That's it. You've successfully reported the YouTube content on your PC. By reporting inappropriate or violating videos, you help maintain a safe and enjoyable environment for the YouTube community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.